Today is lesson 4.5, multiply with 7. Our essential question is, what strategies can you use to multiply with 7? Our problem of the day is the frequency table shows how students voted for their favorite musical instrument. How many more students voted for guitar than piano? Using the cubes method, I know that the numbers are in this frequency table below. When I underline the question, it would be how many more students voted for guitar than piano. Our clue words that we would box would be the word than. That tells me that this is a subtraction problem. So I would take 16 minus 7, and that would equal 9. So my answer would be letter B. When you are multiplying by 7, it can sometimes be tricky. We know that using the commutative property of multiplication, it doesn't matter what order the numbers are in, because 7 times 4 equals 28, or 4 times 7 equals 28, but they both equal the same thing. So for example, right here, 4 times 7, if I change those factors, it still equals the same thing. We can also use the distributive property by showing this in an array. And so this one right here is 7 times 4, and to make it easier, we could do 4 times 5. So out of those 7, we could just take 5 rows right here. So instead, I could do 4 times 5. And I know that that's a pretty easy number because I can count by 5s, and I could do 5, 10, 15, 20. So that equals 20. And then we would have 2 rows left over from that 7, and so 2 times 4 is just doubles, 4 plus 4, so that would equal 8. So when I add those two together, 20 plus 8, that would equal 28. This concludes lesson 4.5.